Hello lovelies, I'm Angela. This is Parisienne Farmgirl. Bienvenue, welcome to the channel. Today we are between a rock and a dry place. I'm going to share with you some of the serious problems we are having in our garden. Quite vexing. One is that we're in the middle of a pretty bad drought, so I'm really thankful to RainPoint for sponsoring today's video. We're just getting our RainPoint system hooked up. It's very easy. It was really simple for Joel and I to put them together. We paired it with our Wi-Fi, and so now we can manage the sprinkler controls from our phone, and we can put them on a timer. So now we've got it set up so that 2 sprinklers will go off in the garden in the middle of the night, which is going to be super helpful because we're spending a lot of time moving sprinklers around all day to keep this garden watered. Check the link in this video description to get your RainPoint system today. Thankfully, I started the day with my 4-mile walk. Trust me, I needed that infusion of sanity into my day. When I got home, I went out to the garden with my camera to talk to you about something else and was devastated to find what I did. Honestly, I can't get any momentum in this garden this year. There are deer footprints everywhere. And all the tops of my sweet potatoes are gone. And my cabbage has been pulled out. And the deer fence is down in the corner, so that's just bloody great. I feel like every time I come out here, it's another disaster. They broke in last week and ate everything, and I replanted. And now it's like almost the second week of June, so you can't really like run to the store and buy starts because inventory's low. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at my tree. They just ate it. They ate the tops of my hollyhocks. Hollyhock's gone. Did they get this one? Yes, they did. Look at the roses. All the tops of the roses. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be sick. And hollyhocks. Oh. So I'm going to carry on. We're going to try to break up some of the rock with our new jackhammer that we need so desperately. And they ate the tops of the strawberry plants off too. So we're just winning. Oh boy. We're gonna try to get some arborvitae in the ground. At least break up the bedrock so I can get the arborvitae in the ground. Joel's pretty busy. So they got the currant bushes, they got my espaliered apple trees, which was just crushing. And the lavender died over the winter, so I've been in the process of tearing it all out. So frustrating. And I need to focus on some good things in the garden. So a few weeks ago I shared with you these little trellises that we made. The wisteria is blooming. Glory hallelujah. The trellis is adorable and the wisteria is blooming, so I'm going to celebrate that. I am going to celebrate that some of the roses didn't get hit, like my beautiful Gertrude Jekyll. And she's full of blooms, and there will be color very soon.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference?
Oh my gosh, the rock is just...
If I wrote you
This one's just about like 4 inches.
if I posted a letter,
Right there. Right there. Unbelievable.
Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do.
There is just so much to do. I have hundreds of tiny annuals to get in the ground that will be beautiful come August. But right now, like I said, I'm trying to focus on what's beautiful now instead of getting overwhelmed. The snow in summer is gorgeous. It's just in piles everywhere. Even this little corner right by my hose with the climbing hydrangea, beautiful. Not so beautiful is my lawn. The drought has devastated it, so I'm working with Nature's Lawn. They reached out to me, gave me some great ideas on what I could do. So I'm going to try to salvage what I can. They were very kind, gave me lots of suggestions on how we could care for the damage that's been done. So I'm gonna put their link in the video description for you. And we're just gonna keep on keeping on. We have a long day ahead of us. It's been a long day of trying to save the garden. And I thought I'd come out here and visit with Fern because she is due the day after tomorrow. So she still has her ligaments. She's super maternal right now and beautiful. Hi, Flora. We're gonna separate Flora. Okay, that tongue. I don't need that much exfoliation, honestly. We're gonna separate Flora so that she doesn't hurt the calf because she's a little feisty little heifer. And I don't think I trust her with the calf. So we're gonna throw up some cattle panels at the end of a long day. A long, beautiful day. Relax, relax. Oh, she's a spaz, this one. I know. We marked the eggs.
Look, I was trying to pet her. Was she trying to peck us? We have a pretty chicken,
I know.
and she pecks our shoes.
She's nasty.
She's like, I don't want you. I'm just trying to have some babies. Please just leave me alone.
We marked the eggs, so, but I think one of them's turned. It smells. If you go over there, it kind of stinks in the corner. Yeah.
There's mice over there too.
Oh my gosh, that tongue. I won't. She like scraped the skin off my leg a minute ago. That tongue. I love you. But I've got my limitations. She's not gonna let me. There we go. Here, I'll give you some dignity. There you go. Kissing your baby. Oh, you're gonna separate the goats? So then you can separate Flora. Okay. She's not gonna hurt you. She's just feisty. I know. It's startling. I know. She's okay. Are you gonna make a different pen for the goats so that you can make one for Flora? Okay. Temporary solutions, ladies. That hurts. That is not comfortable, Big Mama. Oh.
Look at myself a lot right there. I bet cows aren't ticklish because they're cows.
You what? What'd you say, Junior?
Cows aren't ticklish because they're really strong and they're big.
Okay, getting Flora in here is like. Flora is not going to be happy. You're going to have to listen to her whine all weekend.
She is she's in a licky mood, man. No, she's just like probably ready to burst forth with oxytocin. She wants to lick everything inside.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, not the ear. You look wet, Dad.
I'm soaked. You got slobber all over me. Okay, Flora, I want you in here.
Yeah, spotlight company.
Look into my eyes. Put your arms out. Oh boy, this'll be fun.
Okay, someone needs to hold the fence.
All right. Yeah, right. There's no needles involved, Flora. Come on. Good. Almost. Almost, little sister. There we go. Got it.
That's halfway too much pressure. Now move the pressure out. That hole's over.
Where? Pulls this sucker out.
next morning, and Anais is up with me, and we're gonna go see if there's a calf, because that's usually how it happens. Fern takes care of herself, and we have cloud cover today, which is amazing, but the radar shows nothing on our side of the bay, so I'm just going to keep on watering, keep on planting, and keep on enjoying your beauty. Thank you so much for being here.
Yesterday morning, I just ran out right away.
I know. Well, I don't think so. I think I see her sitting there. Okay, that's really uncharacteristic for her to not, pregnant or no, get up and see me. Ooh, this could be a good day. Oh, yeah. Oh, I bet she's gonna calf. I bet.
Soon.
Yeah, like by lunchtime. Okay, I just got back up to the house from checking Fern. Come on. The radar says it's going to be a spritz, but it is June 10th, and we've had nothing precipitation-wise since it snowed on May 1st. That's a long time. Come on. Rain and a calf in the same day would be amazing. So pardon my pajamas and my bed head. I'm so glad you were here for this very real look at what's happening at Sur La Roche. I would love for you to join me in Paris. You know the drill. Click this Eiffel Tower right here. Reserve your place. We've got a couple weeks that are almost sold out, so that's very exciting. Be sure you subscribed. And of course, stay tuned because I might have a new farm animal to share with you the next time. A bientôt.